Alright, I'm gonna apologize now for the shitty quality. I'm recording everything on my phone. I don't really have a good quality camera yet, so bear with me. Alright, so finally I decided to go out and upgrade my system. I used to have uh, it was an old MSI, like Z68 chipset, I don't know. But it was 1155 socket, so I had to replace the motherboard and the RAM to upgrade to this, and yeah, this would be me pretty much taking my old parts out and put the new parts in. And this is an old Cooler Master case also, and it has zero cable management. So eventually I'm gonna upgrade my case also, but didn't have enough money to do it right now. But in the future possibly. But yeah, in the picture you saw, those are all the new parts. I got an i7-7700K, a asus TUF Z270 Mark II motherboard, 16 gigabytes of Geil 200 or 2400 megahertz RAM, and also I bought a new keyboard because my old one I reviewed earlier, that Red Dragon Kuma RGB keyboard, is fucking loud. So I got the new Corsair Strafe RGB with MX Cherry brown keys. Yeah, that's right. And it's a hell of a lot quieter and it's very nice. I like it. It took me a little while to get used to it. It also came with cool little keys that you can take out for A or WASD. They're brown or gray, so that's pretty cool. And they have little dots on them for grip. But I'll review that motherboard in a little bit. Not right now. Not on this video anyway. I'll probably upload a new video of that. But all right, I'm gonna be quiet now. Just let the video go. Hope you guys enjoy it. I know it's kind of long and I'm not the best with cable management because there's nowhere to hide it on here. I guess I could zip tie them, and probably should switch to a different power supply that doesn't have all that extra mess that leaves behind. Maybe go to a component one, but I don't know. Hope you guys enjoy. See you later.